Hi everyone, I hope you are well and most welcome again at this YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well, my dear friends. Today we are coming for to you and you must watch we are saying, and we must know that at this talk where we are going. When we are going someone as place people would not know about myself, and if we are starting doing something, we are suppose that we are making videos, so someone are watching to me what she's talking. So my dear friends, first of all, if we want to do something, we must try to focus and we must work. We must think about myself what we would say. I think that everyone is not know everything, but he know something is special for him. I think you have to recognize them and what being. After some time we are thinking who we are doing, I am totally wrong. And when we realize about my past, about my who have I have spent in my life, we are thinking that what I am doing now. But we feel happy when we watch of my past. So my dear friends, you must make memories about your life, taking your life, and you must think about of them what you are doing new day by day. So I think if you will do as you must do some improvement in yourself in your life, you must know that. And I know at this start, so I think that everyone is not know everything because everyone is starting at place where they are nothing. I think you must do if you want to do in your life, because you have met lot of people as who decrease your purpose. They would say to you, you cannot deserve it, you cannot do as. My dear friends, you have to fight off them, you have to fight yourself, you have to think. My dear friend, till that you would not consider what am I, how you can recognize yourself, how you can do well. So I am thinking lot of us and we try to do well who I want to do, but nowadays we are not getting this that place. So I think that some incident being in your personal life, so which you can live your work, but we must not do as if we are making some ambition, if we are making some dream, we must try to do and we must try to continue further in my life. Everyone step go ahead in your ambition in your life. You must know that at this task. So increase your ability, increase your thinking. So who we watch, we think that we keep up. Who we watch, we serve in the society. I think that what is being in society, what is being in social media, I think that we try to do, but इट इज सिंपल इट बिंग नॉट, ऐसा होता नहीं है कि हम लोग भी सेम कर पाए, बट वी कैन फॉलो अप देम. सो आई थिंक दैट what I think that be feared of people, what people would think about myself, what they would say if we are going to do. My dear friends, in our mind is set at the start. So I think that हम लोग भी उनसे बेहतर कर सकते हैं who is doing at social media, but we fear of people, हम लोग लोगों से डरते हैं कि ये समाज, ये लोग क्या कहेगा, what people would say. So we must ignore of them if we want to do, if we are going to do, if you want to do well in your life, my dear friends, but it is not being to me, मुझसे हो नहीं रहा है. How we can remove of my activity we do not like to do. So I think ever when we have met time, So I am well of people. Why we cannot do well? Why we cannot gain well in my life? But said that people are coming. When we think, we feel very same. We have feel nervousness. Why is being with me? So my dear friends, so you can watch many of people at social media. They are making. They wouldn't hesitate because if they are not well to you, but they are giving to you opportunity to watch of them, and you can watch. आप देखते भी हैं उन लोगों को. You can watch. You watch of them. Why? Because they have can better follower, better subscriber at YouTube channel. Therefore people like to watch of them. I think opportunity opportunity increase in your mind and search what you want to do. I think as, but we must try to focus what we want to say, what we want to do, and what we have to keep off people. हमें लोगों के सामने क्या परोसना है, कैसे अपने बातों को रखना है, हाउ वी हैव टू कीप ऑफ माई टॉक, हाउ वी कैन मोटिवेट ऑफ पीपल, हाउ वी कैन learn of them, and how we can give of them. If we work of them, I think that slowly we can do improvement in myself. We must know that at this talk पहले I like to speak lot of us. I like to watch when we watch of myself, but said that some incident being bit to you as everything is live in your life. So as moment are as moment have come in my life who we do not like, who we have understand too, it we must live and we must work who is being now. So everyone is no well, but such that if you are not gaining well in your life, how much you have gained education in your life, people would not like to you that time, till that you would not have a better opportunity in your life. You till that you have not succeed in your life. So I think that people said that people would not attend to you, till that you would not reach as place where you can share your talk. क्योंकि लोग ऐसे लोगों की बातें सुनना पसंद करते हैं. People would like to listen as people talk. When someone is succeed, जो लोग सफल होते हैं, and people like to listen of them, they would not see to you how much you have failed in your field. Only they want to like succeed person talk. You must know at this time, and I think if you are well, you must not feel hesitate, you must not nervous at this talk. If you are to continue work at yourself, I think that you can gain some benefit in your life and you can reach. I think when we have met time, I am explaining of myself. We have feel well who we are doing,